Today I would like to share my own short-term swing trading setup using the Finviz stock screener. This setup is the best for my own personal needs, so tweak it according to your own trading style. I only swing trade to the long side. I will explain my filter setup. I only pick US-based stocks only. No indexes or foreign stocks. Foreign stocks have a tendency to gap up or down at much larger percentages, especially Chinese stocks. The only fundamental stat I look at is sales growth quarter over quarter. Anything above 20% is good for me, since this is based on fact and not an opinion from an analyst. I also want the stock to trade above the 20, 50, and 200-day moving average. I want a stock that is in an uptrend, and as Ed Seykota says, the trend is your friend, except at the end where it bends. I want to be part of the trend until the technicals lets me know that I should cut my losses. I also specifically like short float over 5%, as it means that someone else is betting against the stock. Sometimes a short squeeze can really pump the stock much higher than it should. Since I have a smaller account, having stocks with a beta of 1 or higher will help, especially when trying to have proper position sizing for the trade. If you have a large account, this is not an issue. The trading volume should be over 300,000 to avoid liquidity issues when trying to get in and out of the trade. A large account should raise this filter to at least over 500,000. I also do not trade stocks under $5, as it usually is a penny stock. Also, the stock must be trading for at least a year for me to look at it. With the stock screener filters explained, now I will switch the filter from overall to TA tab to see how the chart of each stock looks. I will go down the list to see which stocks have a trading setup such as bull flags, high base, or potential pullbacks that I can trade. After that, I will put them into my TradingView watch list and set up some alerts if necessary. It is a fairly simple process. This process may be a bit tedious, but it has been worth it for me in the long run. Trading is a game of patience and discipline. Hope that helps you. Cheers and happy trading.